Have you done what you're supposed to do already? Can you do what you're going to need to do? Now is the time to find out. One of the biggest concerns I have for folks that we're working with is they're underestimating how easy it's going to be, especially on the data side. We know from bitter experience that matching up payroll information to enrollment information is not a straightforward process. You have ADP and the other payroll vendors out there saying, oh, we're going to identify, you know, the ACA requirements, and they can on the payroll side. And you've got the administrators over here talking about doing other things, but matching them up is very difficult. You want to know ahead of time whether you can do the kinds of testing that require that matching and other things. That's just a specific example of where if you wait until 2015 and try to do that match, you're going to get caught flat-footed 9 times out of 10. That you're not going to be able to perform the test quickly. Try now is the advice we're giving people. If it's as simple as you hope, it'll be done and you can rest easy. If, as I know some of you will experience, it's a little bit more complicated than it seems, maybe even than it should be, but that's the way it is, then find out about it early so you have time to react, do things, plan. And then also, there will be opportunities to minimize the liability that ACA brings and also maximize savings. This is the downside of ACA, tends to get the most focus, but there are things that will actually save plans money in the Affordable Care Act compliance. So being able to understand those, again, plan for them, anticipate them, make sure that you have a process in place that will do those things. That all should be going on while you're doing the year-end closeout. Why? Because you're getting all the data that you need to do it at that point in time.